What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So we got here my 2019 Yamaha R3. All right, so this is going to be a quick walk around of all the mods that I have and also future mods that I plan on doing. You know, it already has a bunch of mods. I already talked about this in my first video. After I kind of went back and watched my video, I definitely missed a few things that I forgot to say, so I'm just gonna make like a complete video. This is pretty much how I bought it, except for this mod right here. This nice little scratch and somewhat of a dent. Yeah, I'll explain that in a bit. This thing had so many mods already when I bought it that I kind of forgot about a few of those mods. Forgot to mention them in that first video. I made sure to include all of them this time. Touch on the new mods first. Pretty much the only thing that's happened since I bought the bike is this sweet mod right here and this carbon fiber license plate right here. That's pretty much all the only mods that I've done. This beautiful damage right here, if you haven't seen my video already, it's low-key going viral, kind of. I think it's at like 150k views right now. But yeah, if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll link that video. All right, so mods that I didn't mention. So I didn't mention the fender eliminator kit. So as you can see, the tail section is pretty clean. Usually it comes with this like very long piece that comes like probably about to right here. So yeah, the previous owner installed the fender eliminator kit, so that was nice. Another mod that I didn't mention last time is the R6 throttle tube. It just has a shorter pull, so you just have to twist it less compared to the normal R3 throttle. I don't know if you count this as a mod, but there's a RAM mount so you can place your phone. Works pretty good. Got this little mod for my key. And then I don't know if you count this as a mod, but previous owner put a red tire cap, so I think it says R3 on it. And now it says YZF. That's the front one. But yeah, that's pretty much all I really forgot. Of course, you got the full system exhaust right here, tank grips, we got frame sliders, LED turn signals with the daytime running light with the smoke effect. So we got fork sliders up here, swing arm sliders over here. We got swing arm spools for when you put it up on that little stand. I feel like there's a name for it, but I just can't think of it right now. We got a tank pad, and then we got short levers, nice red levers, adjustable rear sets, finish in a nice red to match the bike, nice red chain guard. Yeah, I feel like they're all pretty tasteful, to be honest. So yeah, the previous owner did a pretty good job. Pretty much checked off most of what I would have done. So there's still definitely things that I want to do to this. That brings me into the new mods that I do want to add on. So one mod that I want to do is add integrated frame sliders. So they go right here where this little black piece is. I don't know if you've seen them before, but they look pretty nice. They honestly kind of look like winglets. So it's pretty much this exact shape, but like thicker and a little more extended outwards. But yeah, they look pretty nice if you haven't seen it already. I feel like I want to put a different pair of frame sliders over here, you know, to replace this one. I do plan to put this one, but you know, maybe double up the protection, you know, have frame sliders over here again. I might do, you know, like cut through the fender or cut through the fairings frame sliders, not sure yet. And then another thing that I want to do is I want to add some more, you know, color and add some more accents, or maybe vinyl wrap this whole middle section, or you know, just kind of the sides right here. I'm thinking maybe add some color to this top portion of the tank here, maybe add a little bit of accents in the back. I don't really plan to do like a full wrap of the motorcycle. Kind of just want to add a little bit of color, a little bit of flair and accents. So yeah, that's my plan for that. I talked about, you know, all the mods that the previous owner did. The one thing that I wish he would have done is I wish he would have gotten rid of these original OEM turn signals. I'm thinking about adding like, you know, like a very clean like LED strip bar style tail lights. I think that would have been a lot cleaner. If it were my choice, I wouldn't have gone with this exhaust. I really wanted a Yoshi pipe. a full pipe from Yoshi. I think that would have been cool. My uncle's motorcycle has a Yoshi pipe, so I feel like I was kind of just biased towards Yoshi. But I mean, this thing's cool. It's you know, sounds all right. Gets the job done. I'll let you listen to the exhaust. I'll throw up a clip for you guys. Here, I'll give you guys a startup of this exhaust. Give it some rev. Anyways, thanks for watching and thanks for everyone's support. If you like the video, you know, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. If you like the exhaust clips, that's pretty much it. That's my baby right now. That's how she is right now. Definitely want to do all those mods, but it's just a matter of time. Thanks for tuning in, and catch y'all next time. Peace.